The National Guard was ready to roll, but they didn't need to save anyone during this storm.
We stopped by the National Guard Armory in Owatonna, which turned into a shelter for stranded drivers. Thankfully, it wasn't needed. Local leaders say that one of the reasons is the constant plowing keeping roads clear. But one Owatonna family didn't have the option to wait for the plows to come through. As WCCO's Jonah Kaplan shares, they had to make it to the hospital.
You heard it all week from city, county, state officials. They keep the highways, the main roads clear so emergency vehicles, first responders can get to where they're going. Well, here is where they're going. And it's great when there's good news. Happy birthday, Hudson Dean Troutman. You're a born and will be raised Minnesotan. And boy, did you get a Minnesota welcome.
I remember the first stop sign right outside our house. I skidded through it coming to the hospital. So
for me, I said, what better thing to do in a storm than have a baby?
Micah and Adam Troutman's doctors scheduled the induction last week for the evening of February 22nd. They claimed they packed accordingly, not knowing when it might be safe to get home.
My mother claims it looked like we were moving into the hospital.
And the snacks up there, I mean, snacks, you had to have snacks for probably a week.
Owatonna Hospital, of course, having its own pre-storm prep, and it proved critical with Hudson's healthy delivery via emergency C-section. Administrators crediting more than just doctors and nurses for the entire health system never missing a beat, including maintenance, facilities, housekeeping, and nutrition.
All of those people that helped to make the hospital run are all on point and needed desperately through as we go through this storm.
It all came together in the exact right way. And for him to be born in the middle of a snowstorm will always be like one of those memories we'll look back on.
Hudson, actually one of 3 babies born here at Owatonna Hospital during the storm. We wish them and their parents much calmer days and nights ahead. Jonah Kaplan, WCCO 4 News.
Absolutely. Well, congratulations to them. They're prepared. Did you see how prepared they were?
They were very prepared, but it's great. All 3 of those kids come with a built-in story,
Yeah.
about their birth, and that's awesome.
Absolutely.
Yeah.